Going up?
Yep, thank you.
What for?
7.
Tap your card.
Okay,
7.
thank you.
Oh, nope. Okay, I'm just gonna stay in. I like elevators. Oh, this one's Smart Key then. Are you guys going to Leafs game?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it now or what?
Yeah, it's tonight. 7. Started a little while ago.
They start early. I
Yeah.
pushed that one.
Yeah, we're just visiting a buddy on 7 and then rushing to the game.
Yeah. Be on time because it might be clouded.
Yeah, well, of course.
Have a good 2023
Yeah,
then.
you too.
Inflation's the hate of inflation.
We do too, brother.
Yeah, go East go. These are Smart Key. Even I press 7 for them. This only works on your floor. Hate the small, to be honest. It used to be Otis.